Hello everyone, welcome to session 73 of Software Testing Made Easy course. In this session, I am going to explain levels of software testing. So let's get started. There are mainly four levels of software testing. There are mainly four levels of software testing which can be performed across software development life cycle. They are nothing but there are four levels which are nothing but first level is unit testing, then we have integration testing, then we have system testing, then we have acceptance testing. These are the four levels of software testing which can be performed across software development life cycle. Coming to the first level of software testing, that is unit testing, is performed. Okay, unit testing is performed by testing individual components, individual components, whereas integration testing is performed by testing integrated. Okay, here only individual components are tested, whereas here integrated components are tested. Okay, multiple components will be integrated together and tested. Here individual components of the system will be tested, whereas here integrated components of the system will be tested. Whereas coming to the system level testing, okay, coming to the third level of software testing, that is system testing, where the testing will be performed on the entire or complete system. Entire or complete system, the testing will be performed at this level of software testing. And finally, the last level of software testing, that is acceptance testing, will be performed on the final system, guys, which is finalized kind of system. Anyhow, I'm going to explain each and every level of software testing, that is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing in detail in the upcoming sessions. So hope guys in this session you understood what are the levels of software testing. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.